Hello, it's Steven here with Hobaica, up in your attic, checking out your unit. What I wanted to show you is your indoor coil, which is what we're looking at here. This is basically where all the indoor air passes through before it gets conditioned and cooled off. And what I'm finding here is the coil is very dirty with a lot of buildup and debris. This is what we're looking at here. So I would definitely recommend to have this cleaned off. And this will definitely help improve the airflow on the system and help it run a little more efficiently as well. So I'll get back inside and show this video to you and answer any questions that you might have. Alrighty? Thank you. Hey guys, Steve here again with Hobaica. Wanted to show you after the coil cleaning the results that we were able to achieve. This coil is just about like new condition. Able to remove all that buildup, all that hair, dirt, dust, and grime that was starting to adhere to the coil. And we can actually see now very pronounced the refrigerant tubes that run across this coil. And I'll show you the back side here. So everything's looking really good here. You guys are in good shape, coil's looking well. And this will definitely help with the airflow issue. And since we signed you up on our Total Care Club plan, definitely save you a good amount of money on this repair. Alrighty, I'll be back down shortly, show you the video, and get you all wrapped up. Thank you.